Hello everyone, now we are going to solve triangles exercise 6.4 question number 6, in which the question I have not written, but what you have to prove I have written that. I'll read the question. In this question we have to prove that ratios of area of two similar triangles, that is already given that these two triangles are similar, is equals to the ratio of square of their corresponding median, is equals to the ratio of squares of the corresponding median. That means ये median है, right? तो ये median corresponding median है ये AM upon DN, so they should be like this. So we have to prove that triangle ABC upon DEF is equals to AM upon DN square. So here it's given that these two triangles are similar. All right, so if they are similar, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, right? They are similar, which implies AB upon DE equals to BC upon EF equals to AC upon DF, right? Reason, the if the triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are equal, are in proportion. Okay, so these are the corresponding sides which are in proportion and they are equal, proportional and equal. So write this reason for the above thing. Okay, which implies now अब AB upon DE, BC upon EF, AC upon DF, they are equal, right? We will consider these two. AB upon DE equals to BC upon EF, okay, which implies AB upon DE equals to BC upon EF. Now see BC, since AM and DN are median, और median का काम ही होता है झगड़े लगाना उनके बीच में, मतलब उनको अलग अलग कर देना पर आधे हिस्सों में, प्रॉपर्टी डिवीजन. सो BM CM equal EN NF equal, they both are equal, so therefore I can say that BM plus BM is equals to BC. That means 2 times BM is equals to BC. So I can write instead of BC 2 times BM upon 2 times EF EN. Correct? So which again implies AB upon DE equals to cancel BM upon EN. Okay, this is done. First thing, equation number 1. All right. So AB upon DE, BM upon EN. Also, triangles are similar. If the triangles are similar, this angle and this angle will be equal because they are corresponding angle. अब हम सिर्फ इस एंगल की बात कर रहे हैं. अब वो एंगल जो है वो दोनों में ही है, ABC और DEF में तो है ही, बट ABM और DEN में भी है. So I will write angle AB, instead of C I am writing M, equals to एंगल DEF की जगह पे N लिख रहा हूं, एंगल वही है, ठीक है. सो रीजन क्या है, दैट इज करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल. ओके, सो दिस इज द करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल, सो देयरफॉर दे आर इक्वल, व्हिच इंप्लाइज ट्रायंगल ABM is similar to triangle DEN by side angle side, SAS similarity criteria, which again implies if they are similar, AB upon DE equals to BM upon EN equals to AM upon DN, right? तो इसमें से हम दो ले लेते हैं, हमको जो काम का है वो AB upon DE equals to AM upon DN. Equation number 2. Let's compare equation 1 and equation 2. If we compare, what we will get? See, AB upon DE, BM upon EN, AB upon DE, AM upon DN, right? So which implies area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF, right, is equals to, अगर एरियाज निकाल रहे हैं दो सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्स के, सो दैट एरियाज विल बी इक्वल्स टू द रेशियो ऑफ स्क्वायर ऑफ द करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स, राइट. सो which are the sides in ABC DE? So I can write AB upon DE, right? AB square upon DE square. AB upon DE. What is AB upon DE? AB upon DE is equals to AM upon DN. So which implies area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF equals to ABDE की जगह पे AM upon DN square, right? So this is our solution, that the ratios of the area of similar triangle is equals to the ratio of square of their corresponding median. So that is it. Thank you.